So in this PayPal tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add money from your BMO or your Bank of Montreal bank account on PayPal. So once PayPal's opened up, go to the home screen, go to the top, press on PayPal balance. On this page, type in or press on add money, and then select the amount of money you wanted to add. So if you wanted to add a custom amount, you can go ahead and add $12 just as an example, and then press on next. Once you're on this page, go to the bottom, press on link a bank account. And then under popular banks for me, BMO or Bank of Montreal is 4 options down. If you don't see it, you can go to the top and simply do BMO, select it right here, and then it'll redirect you to a new page. Once you're on this page right here, you can go ahead and link it by doing your checking or savings account, the bank transit number, institution number, account number, agree and link it, and then proceed that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to add money from a BMO bank account here on PayPal. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.